Tesla, a name that has revolutionized automotive and solar technology, truly requires no introduction. In today's weekly dose of Tesla news, we bring you the latest happenings from the world of Tesla. Losing $700 billion in market value. Tesla's market capitalization has plunged by close to $700 billion from its peak a year ago, more than the individual market value of all but a handful of America's public companies. Shares of Elon Musk's automakers surged from a split-adjusted $30 at the start of 2020 to north of $400 last November, boosting Tesla's market cap from under $100 billion to over $1.2 trillion. However, it has tanked by almost 60% since then to $530 billion. Tesla's $670 billion drop in market value isn't far off the entire worth of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, $685 billion. It comfortably exceeds the market caps of Johnson & Johnson, $460 billion, ExxonMobil, $457 billion, and JP Morgan, $390 billion. Moreover, Musk's electric vehicle company has seen more than double the market cap of Home Depot, $324 billion, or the combined market caps of Coca-Cola, $268 billion, and PepsiCo, $255 billion, wiped off its market value. Even more strikingly, Tesla's market cap slump is roughly equivalent to 3 McDonald's, $201 billion, Disney's $178 billion, or Wells Fargo's $178 billion. It also equates to around 4 Nikes, $162 billion, 5 Netflixes, $127 billion, 6 Starbucks, $113 billion, 7 PayPals, $92 billion, and 12 GMs or Fords, $56 billion each. Twitter gives the jitters. In the S&P 500, only Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, and Berkshire are worth more than the $670 billion that Tesla has shed in market value over the past year. The dramatic decline reflects a wider exodus from growth stocks and concerns that Musk's overhaul of Twitter will be a costly distraction. Investors have dumped high-flying stocks like Tesla in the face of red-hot inflation, rising interest rates, and a looming recession. Musk's automaker promises to earn most of its profits in the future, but those dollars become less attractive when prices are soaring, savings accounts and bonds are offering larger and risk-free returns, and an economic downturn threatens to hammer corporate earnings and stock market valuations. Moreover, Musk recently purchased Twitter for $44 billion and is busy overhauling its features, laying off thousands of employees, and revamping its business model. He has cashed in billions of dollars worth of Tesla stock to finance the venture already. As a result, Tesla shareholders fear he could lose focus or sell more shares, either of which might pull down the automaker's stock price. Tesla's striking drop in value has divided commentators so far. Bulls such as Ron Barron expect the stock to hit fresh highs in the next few years, while bears including Michael Burry of The Big Short have warned it could tumble further. Tesla investors demand share buyback program. The automaker's stock appears to have lost momentum, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk selling tens of billions of dollars worth of shares over the last year did not help. Now, Tesla investors are asking the company's board of directors to act to stop the bleeding with a share buyback program. A share buyback program consists of a company buying its own shares at the market price. It's generally a sign that the company believes its stock is undervalued and is a way to boost the stock price by taking some outstanding shares off the market. Musk has also previously suggested that Tesla's board was seriously considering a buyback program between $5 and $10 billion, but it is still up to the board to move forward with it, and it still hasn't. Tesla Cybertruck reaches 1.5 million pre-orders. Tesla's Cybertruck is getting closer to production, and as the automaker's first new model in 3 years, the company badly needs it to gain its momentum back. But can the electric pickup truck live up to Elon Musk's hype and the 1.5 million pre-orders? Musk has been hyping the Cybertruck as not only Tesla's best vehicle yet, but as possibly the best product ever. The CEO is known for his use of hyperbole, but he has some credibility when it comes to Tesla's vehicle programs, since each model has raised the bar in one way or the other in the auto industry. While the launch of the vehicle in 2019 wasn't without issue or criticism, with the unbreakable window demonstration failing and the polarizing design of the truck, the hype around it has been quite successful. Musk announced that Tesla received over 250,000 reservations for the Cybertruck within a week of unveiling the vehicle. Generally, Tesla receives a lot of reservations early after an unveiling, and then it tapers off. But that wasn't the case with the Cybertruck. Even throughout the pandemic, sources told us that some Tesla stores were getting hundreds of Cybertruck reservations per week, and Cybertruck pre-orders even helped boost sales. By 2021, sources were putting the pre-orders at over 1 million units. Now in 2022, the same tally puts Tesla Cybertruck reservations at over 1.5 million units. That's unprecedented demand, though, to be fair, Tesla is only asking for a $100 refundable deposit per reservation, which is not the strongest show of interest. But even if the actual order take rate ends up being relatively low, this is still extremely strong demand. Lately, we have seen several moves by Tesla showing progress in bringing the electric truck pickup truck to production at Gigafactory, Texas. The company says that it is on track for starting production in mid-2023. Will the production Tesla Cybertruck live up to all the hype? Only time will tell. Musk down $100 billion. How do you end up with a personal net worth of $169.8 billion in a bear market? If you're Tesla's CEO and Twitter owner Elon Musk, you start the year with $270.3 billion and then let gravity do its thing. Musk has already used a variation of this joke in reference to his recent $44 billion acquisition of Twitter, after previously acknowledging he overpaid for the social network. Yet, Musk's loss of more than $100 billion in personal wealth since the start of 2022 is largely the result of his almost 23% stake in Tesla, the leading manufacturer of electric vehicles. Investor faith in Musk's claims about Tesla's dazzling future has been dented by the COVID-19 outbreaks and the accompanying economic slowdown in China, as well as the distraction Twitter has become for Tesla's CEO and self-styled techno-king. Apple chipmaker now in demand. As Tesla continues to send out the latest FSD beta, 10.69.3.1, the next generation of Tesla's FSD computer will be using chips manufactured by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited. Although you may be familiar with this company, there may be a product in your hand now that uses its technology. Apple is a significant customer of TSMC. Tesla is reportedly dropping Samsung to go with TSMC for the next generation of the full self-driving computer. The current computer, Hardware 3, is already a major force, but there are reports that Tesla is preparing a Hardware 4 computer. It's believed to be about 3 times faster than the current computer. These TSMC chips are considered the most sophisticated available at 4nm and 5nm processes. They have increased speed and reduced power consumption compared to the previous 7nm process. Tesla bot lifts a piano. Tesla has showcased the strength of its actuator technology for TeslaBot, its humanoid robot, by having a single leg actuator of the robot lift an entire piano. Part of the logic for Tesla to venture into creating a humanoid robot, which doesn't seem aligned with its mission to accelerate the advent of sustainable energy and transport, was that the automaker felt like its vehicles were already robots on wheels. At Tesla's AI Day last month, the company unveiled the latest Tesla Optimus prototype equipped with Tesla-designed actuators for the first time rather than off-the-shelf products. Unfortunately, the prototype was so recent that Tesla wasn't ready to make it walk just yet at the event. The robot is equipped with 28 structural actuators, including 2 primary leg actuators. While it couldn't show it walking, Tesla has decided to now release a new video showcasing just how strong TeslaBot's primary leg actuators are by having a single actuator lift a half-ton or 500-kilogram concert grand piano. That's all for this video, folks. Don't forget to turn on the notifications to stay in tune with all the latest updates from the world of Tesla.